Hey, what's going on? So we're going to do a comparison video today with the 5-inch straight pipe against a FLO PRO twister muffler. And there's a couple reasons I wanted to get the muffler. One, long road trips with the family. Two, trying not to piss off the neighbors. And three, cops. So here in Texas, I think the majority of the state is pretty good, but there are a couple different areas where I do get nervous that I'm going to get pulled over and get a ticket and all that stuff. So let's see what it's going to do, and hopefully I'll be able to show you some pretty decent numbers and go from there. All right, so I'll let you guys look at the actual numbers. It's not a huge difference as far as what the phone says for the decibels, but it is a huge difference, and you can't really tell on the camera. So one, the main difference is exhaust brake. So 5-inch straight pipe, the exhaust brake was like a turbine, and it sounds cool as hell, but it's pretty obnoxious. So with the muffler, it almost sounds stock. It sounds so close to stock, it's insane. And then when you're just cruising down the road, like the highway, there's a decent bit of road noise. These tires are pretty quiet, but the radio, even if you have it just quiet enough where you're talking to somebody else, that you can't really hear the exhaust. You can hear the exhaust with the muffler when you're getting on it. That's the loudest part. But other than that, it is so quiet. It's almost more quiet than I wanted. I mean, it definitely is, but I'm happy. I got a muffler for a reason, so it did its job. I would definitely recommend it if you're trying to go for the quiet sound. I'm just over the trying to be a young teenager trying to just have it as loud as I can. So thanks for watching. If you'd consider subscribing and just shoot me some ideas and what you want me to do, I'd appreciate it.